the two travelers in Mexico, and today we're going to have our friend Paco show us how micheladas are made.
Hello everyone, my name is Paco. I'm a good friend of Mark and Paulette. I live in Mexico, in the beautiful city of San Luis Potosí, and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious micheladas. Alright, let's start first with lime. Okay?
Now, I just wanted to say one thing. I've heard that he is in the Michelada Hall of Fame, mostly voted in by his family members and
exactly.
a couple of drunk guys.
Right.
We are going to check this out here. So
Okay.
first thing he's doing is he sliced a lime.
Exactly, sliced lime. We just put the juice
Into the cup.
in 1 cup. I think I will say 1 lime per cup will be good.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I just wash my hands, of course. Okay. Then we will use a little bit of salt.
Now we have Himalaya salt, and that's what he's using.
Right. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. I think that's it.
So that was maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, do you
Yeah,
think?
something like that.
Okay.
Quarter. Okay. We will use this seasoning juice called Maggi. It's very famous here in Mexico. I will add 4 little shots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Another ingredient, English sauce or Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce?
That's
Okay.
right. Okay. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And Tabasco sauce.
Tabasco.
That's really good.
Tabasco's good.
Exactly.
It's popular here in Mexico,
Exactly.
as in the United States as well.
Just a little bit. Okay, not much.
Okay, so that was about 2.
2 shots.
2
2 little
shots.
shots.
And next is the clamato.
Clamato. This is tomato juice with a touch of clamp. Okay.
Yeah, and it's also kind of spicy too.
Spicy, exactly.
Yeah.
Let's shake it a little bit. Okay, this is cold, already cold. Right. Just a little bit. Let's say 1/3 of the glass. Okay. Right. Mix it. Right. A little bit of ice. Alright, and the main ingredient,
Corona Extra.
this holy grail. This is it. A little bit of mix. And that's it. I hope you like it. You want to taste it?
Sure. By the way, I actually forgot to record me drinking the micheladas, but it was very good, very good.
With time and practice, you will measure in a more effective way all the ingredients in order to get the best flavor that you want. I mean, you can add more salt or less salt, you can add more seasoning juice, more sauce, or more Tabasco, and to get the best flavor you want.
Now, what is it? Because sometimes they put some stuff around the rim of the cup too.
Well, yeah, in that case, they put salt around the glass, and then they add a little bit less salt.
Oh,
because
and
the salt
okay.
in the outside and the salt inside
Okay.
will be more. But I like it with the salt inside of the glass.
Okay.
I think that's much better taste.
Right. What is the difference between like a regular michelada and a negro michelada?
Negro. Well, sometimes the negro michelada has another hot sauce that is called Valentina,
Valentina. Okay.
black Valentina, and that makes the darkest color.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes.
Okay.
But you have it. Enjoy it.
Micheladas, by the way, originated in the city of San Luis Potosi, in the state of San Luis Potosi, where we live.
As always, from the two travelers in Mexico.
What she did.
Bye, guys.
Bye.